This video is about the problem handling workflow. Problem handling is something you do when you have one or more errors, but you don't know the underlying cause to these errors. Then you have to find a true solution. As you can see on the picture, as shown here, we have 3.5 roles in the workflow: the single point of contact, the problem manager, and the problem owner. And the half role is the requester, who will report the problem. I will guide you through the first 4 stages down to the root cause analysis, just to have a look at how it works on the SkySpoc platform. So let's begin. I'm now the requester, and I would like to request a problem. So I will press New, and at this stage I will search through something called problem. There is one workflow, so let's just choose that, problem handling workflow. And at this stage I just have to fill in a subject, server is down, and some kind of symptoms. Let's just say that it doesn't answer. It does not answer. That is all we have to fill in at this time, so I will just submit as the requester. And in a short while I can see that now it is in the system and it is handed over to the single point of contact registration and categorization. Okay. Being the single point of contact, I will now refresh my screen. And I can see that I have this request now, and I am able to edit because this pencil is now visible on the case. So let's press the pencil. And what I am supposed to do here is select an appropriate service. That's all I have to do. So let's do that. Let's just say that there's a lot of things to choose between, but let's just say we have storage problems. I will press save. And as you can see, I had the choice to hand the problem back to the requester if I wished to do that. Maybe the information was not appropriate or adequate, but in this example I was satisfied, so I chose a service, and now I'm able to hand it over to the problem manager for the problem manager to prioritize this case. Being the problem manager, I will now refresh my screen, and I am now able to edit this particular request. Let me do that. And all I have to do, I can do more, but all I have to do is prioritizing this particular problem request. Let's just say it's not very important. As you can see in the left, I am in the prioritization stage, but I'm not allowed as yet to proceed to any other stage. But having chosen the priority and pressing save, I'm now able to proceed to match any known error. So let's do that. And the last role in this workflow, the problem owner, will refresh his or her screen. And again, we can see the pencil is now visible. So let's enter this problem. And I am already from the beginning able to proceed to root cause analysis. That's because I have to check this error or this problem, particular problem, up against our known error lists. Do we know this problem from previous? We have 2 examples of known errors, but if it's not any of those, we don't have to choose anything, but we have the choice. So in this example, I will just proceed to root cause analysis. And now the real work begins when we are in the stage root cause analysis. And as you can see in the left pane, there are some suggestions of how to proceed from here, some techniques we can choose to use to find the underlying cause and a solution. But I will stop my demonstration here. Now you can see how the workflow works on the SkySpoc platform.